here it is, 3 good spoons.
So it's your roving gastronaut here, day 2 of my trip to Yangon, Myanmar. And you know I couldn't come here without taking a cooking class.
And my teachers are Chef Kevin and his 2 assistants.
Are these sweet bananas? Can you just eat them?
These are banana sweet.
Okay.
Okay. Cover and we boil.
First, the chef is going to show me how to make fresh coconut cream, which he's going to use as the base for his dessert, to steam bananas and coconut.
Why I use that? Because I don't want to waste it.
Right.
So I don't waste that. We use this in any places. No? So have your peanuts. And you try this, Jagger? Dry shrimp, black sesame, white sesame, garlic, lime, coriander, green tomato, red tomato, and we have fried garlic shallots, fried garlics, and cook this chili flakes, and this is shallots.
Okay.
And this chili powder, turmeric, and we have another crushed chili powder also.
Okay.
And this, yeah, and this is a noodle that you eat. It's a kind of pickle, vegetable pickle. You eat with the noodle.
Okay.
And we use soy sauce, and this is fish sauce.
Okay.
And this is soy sauce, a thick soy sauce,
Yeah.
dark soy sauce. We call these shallot. These are the biggest.
Oh, you call these shallots?
Right.
Okay.
Not onion.
And you have mung bean sprout? Bean sprout?
Bean sprout. Cabbage, and this is the chicken that we are taking on the meat,
Okay.
and the bone we boil, make stock.
Okay. So now the chicken stock is boiling.
So when this evaporates, there will oil come up. Okay, we put half cup of sugar into it. Yeah. Yeah, man. How about sugar? No? This is the second juice. I will take only the top part. Tatoma. This ambassador.
And the bananas are... So how long do you have to boil the bananas?
10, 15 minutes
Okay.
boil.
And it makes it soft and it gets rid of the bitter taste. Coconut cream is almost reduced and she's putting the boiled bananas right into it.
So we leave this quiet to rest for a while.
Okay.
While we go with curry. And they will bring, you know, the oil. We just put vegetable
oil.
And we use peanut oil for salad, some turmeric.
Okay. Turmeric.
And that is the pounded garlic.
Garlic. Now the shallots.
This is a real famous dish if you're going up country.
Okay, now we're adding the tomato. Fresh tomato. And this is going to be the base of our curry here.
Yeah. You eat spicy?
Yes.
No?
So she put about 2 teaspoons of chili powder. And we're going to cook it till the tomato breaks down.
Like being dry. And if you go to Chan Stick, you will see a lot of it. So you will put a spoon of that. Namuna shila, no? Shila, no?
Sugar. Okay.
Okay, now there's some salt.
Salt.
Yeah. And now we will add
And now the chicken.
Yeah. More butter. And now we will put
And now we're adding the stock. Some fresh chicken stock here. wow, it's coming together now. And now we're covering it up. How long do you cook this now covered like that?
10 minutes.
10 minutes covered? It's reduced now. The chicken is cooked. Once the oil comes out, it's done.
Okay, we're going to make the tomato salad first.
Okay, so just regular cabbage.
We are talking about sandsteak.
Okay.
These are come from in the water. They are grown in the water.
So I'm slicing up the green tomato now.
Right.
Thinly sliced with a very dull knife. I just chopped up some green tomato, some shallot, and the chef soaks the shallot in water to keep it crunchy.
Keep it crunchy and take out the gas.
Slicing up the coriander. We have dried shrimp powder and ground peanuts as well. So we're making our own fried shallot now.
Yeah.
Heat up the oil, add some turmeric. As soon as the turmeric starts to bubble, you're going to add the onion, the shallot.
So now we'll put the chickpeas powder, roasted chickpeas powder.
Okay.
Some okay. There you go. Okay. Chickpeas powder, butter, yeah.
And then the peanuts.
Some peanuts. Some dried shrimp.
Dry shrimp.
Okay, yeah, true. Okay. Okay, yeah. Okay, dried shrimp. Some salt, some salt.
Some chili flake.
A lot. Yeah. Okay. Okay, see here. It is about 1 tablespoon of sesame.
Okay.
And
Toasted sesame seed, right?
right. I will use half.
Half of the fried shallot. Put some of the oil in there too.
Yeah, the fried shallot oil. And some green.
So we got fried shallot and fresh shallot. Mixed by hand.
Same machine. Okay. It's like they will call it tomato salad, but you put sesame oil in the tomato that will get into the tomato.
Okay.
Because this has no fish sauce, it's okay you adding. Yeah.
We're just blanching the sprouts here.
Okay. So now she will strain it.
Okay.
Salah salam dry vegetarian. Malaysian and the Malaysian will eat a lot of spicy.
So we have the raw shallot, the coriander,
The sprouts.
the bean sprouts, and now some cabbage.
Dito lang mo lang, no?
Dried shrimp.
Dried shrimp.
Yeah, about a tablespoon, more than a little bit more than a tablespoon.
Peanut.
Peanut. Noodle. Chickpeas powder. So you put some
Chili.
chili powder. There's a chili flake. Okay, then cho vào đi nó. Xem. She said to leave back some shallot pork garnish on top. See, I leave back some for garnishing. And this I said is too much of oil. So you don't want to reduce a bit of oil. A lime, fresh lime.
A little bit of acid in there.
Yeah. You will use a lot of lime, you know, yeah. Because
that's
we get
hand mixed.
Yeah, hand mixed.
All right, so now I'm going to try the bean sprout salad. Here it is.
Yeah.
Looking very good.
You
Good.
like the flavor?
Very good, very fresh.
What about the salt or fish sauce?
Salt is good.
Yeah.
I would put maybe a little more lime in,
Lime, okay.
but it's good. Now she's plating salad. And there is topped with a little bit of shallots.
Use some black sesame on a white plate,
Oh, nice.
right? And some peanut also.
Very nice.
And this will give a real kick. Yeah. So we are going to make the chan noodle now.
Okay.
How to fix it?
Are these already cooked?
No. These are
dry?
dry
Right.
and will go into boiling hot water. So that
And now we're just boiling the noodles for how long? Couple minutes?
បើเราចាំណា
Lắm không chàng này rồi.
ចាំនេះបងចាំនេះเราขนาดทำเนาะចាំនេះ till it turns soft
Okay. About how long?
or 1 minute.
Okay.
This is not only rice. This also, you know, sticky rice.
Yeah.
They have sticky rice in this. So we look in at the web no? You know what I mean? The texture of the flat beans, you know the dal,
Yeah, yeah.
the lentil, it has that flavor. Some sesame, yeah, follow that. Some
Fish sauce.
Soy sauce.
Oh, soy sauce. So we haven't used any fish sauce yet.
Ngam nhai mà đâu, no? Today she tried to stay away from fish sauce because she's afraid things will get salty and Myanmar fish sauce is a bit has a lot of salt. Davela? Okay, now we will use.
Oh, wow, she's putting chicken stock right on the noodles.
Right. So you know when the noodle is cooked, it gets sticky.
Right.
So when you add some liquid, yeah, we
Đi khai mà nó.
So try this now.
And this is the bean sprout salad, the green tomato salad,
And the shan noodle.
shan noodle with chicken
Yeah.
and the pork rind.
And also, forgot.
Oh,
And this is-
and then for dessert, we have the steamed bananas and coconut milk. Chef Kevin, I want to thank you so much for this cooking class. I learned a lot of different flavors going on, a lot of different ingredients, and I'm glad I learned everything from you. So thanks again. Okay? All right.
Yeah, こだわりないこだわりたいこだわらないこだわるまいはいとは絶対の繰り返し